guys, welcome back to my channel. I have my long-awaited lock tutorial for you guys. I know I have so much to get. I know I got so much videos to get out for you guys, and lock tutorials are definitely up there. I wanted to do a style where I didn't have to retwist my hair because honestly with 2020 I've just been having a hard time retwisting and coming up with new things. I wanted a style for my 25th birthday, which was in February, that wouldn't require it. I did my hair and makeup within the hour of me leaving, so I had to come up with something on the fly, and that's when the best hairstyles come out, and then they're not filmed. So my biggest tip with this hairstyle is just to make sure as you're twisting you're holding it really securely, you know what I mean, because that's what's going to create the defined swirl. And I think if your hair has color like mine does, I have a couple strands that from dyeing my hair a long time ago, which speaking of, I do want to dye my hair. So please let me know what color you think I should do. I like this color that I have now, and I kind of want to make the whole thing that color. I do want to put in some highlights so that it does have some contrast like this does. Anyway, I'm rambling, right? But I'm ready like to get back into my hair and stuff and like do different things to it. I'm definitely gonna take a couple inches off because it is very long, but that's why I created this hairstyle too, because if you have long hair, like eventually, you know, you just run out of stuff to do. But I know a lot of people depend on me for hairstyles and stuff, so I'm happy to get back to it. Let me know, what do you guys think I should do with my hair? I really do want to cut it. I'm willing to give it a little bit more before I cut it, or cut a couple inches, or start over. I think I'm going to end up with locks, really. I just want to experiment and start over, but I want to give this more time. I want to fall back in love with my hair. I want to try new things again, so I'm going to keep it. Let me know what you think I should do with my hair. I'm going to give it a cut. How many inches should I try to make it? Shoulder length? Ooh. I'm trying to live my best life, okay? I'm trying to live my best life after the roughness of 2020 and all that I've learned. So I want to do a whole bunch of stuff to my hair. So you guys let me know what you want to see. I am losing some as we see.
Standard. One time. It's got to be. Lego. Passing the prime. Them girls, them a come, them a feel alive. One by one, them a step in a me yard, them a enter, them be 2 by 2. Ooh, yeah. Go low. Man a tell him, me then go slow. Them a feeling on my vibe and see the girl, them go down. Ooh, wee. Bad man run the show now. Oh yeah. See the girl, them go down. Ooh, wee. And a bad man run the show. And a bad man run the show now. Yeah.
Go digga, she a gold digga.
Yeah.
Man figure, me na run digga. One nigga say really one digga.
Now me a dance.
Go digga, she a gold digga. Man figure, me na run digga. One nigga say really one digga.
Call me emergency. One time me na never. Them a girls, them a coming over. Bad man me a wanna lover. Girl come, them a be my lover. Bad man me a never waste time. Them a girl, them a come, them a never count time. One time me a never waste time. Them a girls, them a come, them a try my time. Ooh. Man a telling me they go. See the girl, them a slow. Bad man on the road. See the girl, them go down. Ooh wee. Bad man run the show now. Oh yeah. See the girl, them go down. Ooh wee. And a bad man run the show. And a bad man run the show now. Yeah.
Go digga, she a gold digga. Man figure, me na run digga. One nigga say really one digga.
Now me a dance.
Go digga, she a gold digga. Man figure, me na run digga. One nigga say really one digga.
Call me emergency. Original Batman. One time. It's Butty baby. VQs. Mix it. Yeah, no. Lego.
It's VQs.
One time. Standard. Baby. One time. It's Butty baby. Lego. Passing the prime. Them girls, them a come, them a feel alive. One by one, them a step in a me yard, them a enter, them be 2 by 2. Ooh, yeah. man, I tell them me then go slow. Them a feeling on my vibe and see the girl them go down. Ooh wee, on the show now. Oh yeah, see the girls them go down. Ooh wee, and a bad man run the show, and a bad man run the show now. Yeah.
Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me nah run digger. One nigga say really one digger. Now me a dancing. Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me nah run digger. One nigga say really one nigga. Call me emergency.
One time me nah never. Them a girls, them a coming over. Bad man, me a wanna lover. Girl come, them a be my lover. Bad man, me a never waste time. Them a girl, them a come, them a never count time. One time, me a never waste time. Them a girls, them a come, them a try my time. Ooh. Man a telling me they go. See the girl, them a slow. Bad man on the road. See the girl, them go down. Ooh wee, bad man on the show now. Oh yeah, see the girl, them go down. Ooh wee, and a bad man run the show, and a bad man run the show now.
Alright, so this is the final look. Got all glammed up. This makeup look is coming next. It's probably already up. Check that out. And I hope you guys like it. Yeah, it's easy. It's balanced on my head. And that's what I wanted. I wanted a hairstyle that I was going to feel cute, that I could do. I can do this in 5 minutes. You can do this in 5 minutes. I should have put a timer. I should have put a timer on to prove that you can do this hairstyle in 5 minutes. The secret is really just to hold it, like I said. Like, you really want to hold it all the way down. And because I have a lot of hair and it's wrapped literally around my head, it's nice and even. I don't feel like weight dragging to one side. My hair is long, so I don't have to use too many pins, which is really good. But I feel like you can do this hairstyle even if your hair is short. I don't think you have to worry about it. But don't worry, if your hair is not long enough to do this, don't worry, girl. Look, having long hair is not everything. But yes, thumbs this video up and comment. Please comment so I can gain some traction on my videos. I'm gonna be pumping them out. But thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in another one. Bye.